Hi guys, in this video we'll talk about how to fix DoorDash unable to verify identity. So if you're having this kind of error, then what you can do is you can head over and then listen to this video because I will show you 6 steps in order to fix this. First step is to check your information. You need to ensure that all your personal information that you provided, like your name, phone number, and email address is accurate and matches your identification documents. You need to also upload your clear documents in relation to this one. They need to be well lit, legible, and clear, and all details need to be visible. Need to also update the DoorDash app because the issue might rely because your application is actually outdated. Next thing is to clear the app cache. Go to your device settings, find the DoorDash app, and clear its cache. This can resolve any temporary glitches. You also need to install the app if it doesn't really solve your problem. From there, if you already done these 5 things and you still have those particular issues, then you can contact your DoorDash support right there because they can provide specific guidelines based on your situation. So that's how you fix DoorDash and you will be able to verify identity. Hope we help.